Hey everybody, how's it going? Mike from the Focus Garage, and in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to install a UpMap using the Euro OBD cable here and the UpMap device itself. I believe this one is the T800 Plus onto a 2021 Aprilia Tuono. Now, a little piece of information for you guys here. I have already tuned this vehicle myself, so we're not going to be flashing a tune in live time. I'm just going to be showing you guys where you're going to go to pair this device to your phone and how you're going to go about flashing the tune. But I am not going to be tuning the bike right now just because it has already been done. As you can see here, we do already have the SC Project exhaust. We've removed the exhaust servo motor there, so that's all good. So that's why I do have the bike tuned. Right now I am just utilizing Gabro's version of the Aprilia Race Map, but we're going to show you guys how to do it on your bike if you've got a 21 and newer Tuono. My bike here is the base model Tuono, so we've got the taller windscreen and the passenger grab rail there, and that's what you need to know about how to start the installation. So if you've got one of these bikes here, you need to go ahead and remove the rear seat and the rider's seat. You go ahead and do that by putting the key for the bike in the hole here, lifting up on each one of these ears on the seat, sliding this off, and then we've got two 4mm bolts here that will go ahead and remove the rider's seat. So I'll do that and show you what we're working with. Looking at the bike, obviously we've now got the both seats removed, and it's really easy to know where you're going to need to plug this device in. You obviously see that the device has a red plug here. Well, look at that. Lo and behold, you have a red plug on the right-hand side of the motorcycle right in here. It's in a blanking plug, so meaning it doesn't go in anything else, and that's what you're going to need to use. So you can see it's just kind of on its own post here. Pinch this in, see if I can do it one-handed. And bam, there you go. So you've got the plug here, and now you need to plug this in to the UpMap. You can see right away, as soon as you plug this in, the light goes green, and that means that this device has power and it's ready to connect to your phone. Now, the cool thing about this device is you can actually use this to monitor telemetrics from the bike. So since this is using OBD2, this will connect to your phone via Bluetooth. This is basically a Bluetooth adapter with the bike. And this will send all the data that your bike sees. So like lean angle, speed, gear, everything like that. And you can leave it connected. So if you wanted to leave this plugged in and tuck it up underneath here somewhere, you can do that. The way I'm going to use this device is I am just going to use it to flash a map to my bike. So the way that works is you are going to download the UpMap application on your phone, and it will work on both Android and iPhone. And you're going to just follow the prompts on the screen there on how to install this. Depending on who you buy this device from, you may or may not get some included tunes. I bought this through CBC Motorsports, so it includes the free Aprilia Race Map, and it also is going to include one Gabro custom tune specific to my motorcycle. So over time, in the next couple of weeks here on the 21s, they're going to be testing different intake setups, different exhausts, and everything like that. And they're going to make maps that you'll be able to download through the application and flash to your bike there. So right now, I am just running the Aprilia Race Map, and you'll see that when you turn on the screen on the bike there, it will say Race in the bottom right-hand corner. So I'm running that right now, and the nice thing about that is that does give me, in the United States here, the integrated turn signal. So, as you can see, I have removed the floppy turn signals from both sides, and now my turn signals are actually in the headlights there. So that's super neat. That's one of the benefits of running a race map. But the biggest thing I wanted to do is just be able to run the exhaust safely. So what flashing a tune will do, in short, it's not even about top power gains. However, you will gain power and you will kind of release some more torque with the motorcycle. I wanted my air-fuel ratios to be safe after the installation of an exhaust pipe. So you pretty much plug this device in, open the UpMap map on your phone, set up your account, and it'll just walk you through the prompts to get connected and to flash the tune to your bike. So it'll ask you, what kind of bike it is, the make and model, confirm the year, everything like that. And then through the app, it may want to update the software on the UpMap device. Once this is connected to your phone, this will be blue, meaning that the Bluetooth is connected. I have an Android phone, and one thing that I do want to note on my phone is that it didn't want to work until I fully allowed location services on the UpMap device. So if you're having issues connecting the UpMap to your phone, look at your location services, make sure that's good to go. Then you can kind of flash through what you need to do there. But it's really simple. If you've ever used any kind of application on your phone before, this is a really neat way to do it. So it will basically send the map to this, and then this flashes it to and from your bike. Just some simple steps. Sometimes you'll have to cycle the ignition on and off as the application is telling you to do so, just to kind of get the relearn procedure done. But the benefit to doing this over an actual race ECU where you've got to pull the tank, pull the ECU, and do all that is, one, it cuts out any relearning procedure. So the throttle works, ABS works, traction control works. And two, I don't have to go to a dealer or anything like that. So I don't have to worry about pulling an ECU, having downtime, swapping that, sending the bike to a dealer. I'm able to literally flash the map directly to this from my garage using my phone, No laptop needed, no dealership needed, nothing like that. No weird tuning platform, anything like that. I literally plug this in, download an application on my cell phone, and then using the app store, or using the map store rather, in the application, it says all of the maps that'll fit my bike. You pick the one that's most specific to your mods and flash it to the motorcycle. It's really that simple. And let me tell you, just with this race map on it, this thing frickin' rips, and I love that. So that's really simple. It really is that easy. And if you guys do have any questions, definitely let me know. But all you got to do is basically pull the seats off, and then on the right-hand side of the bike, you can see that blanking plug right there where this goes into. And that's it, man. It really, really is that simple. So that's how you use the T800 Plus UpMap device, utilizing Gabro tune in my situation here, on your 21 and newer Aprilia Tuono. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comments down below. If not, I look forward to hearing from you guys, but I'm super excited. The bike absolutely rips now, and it's tuned properly for the exhaust. It's really kind of cool because there is not a lot of crackles and pops or anything like that, meaning that the AFRs should be in check with that. Let me show you the integrated signals real quick first, and then we'll close this one out. So you can see here, this is what the headlights look like. And then when you flip on a turn signal, that specific DRL goes dim, and then you've got the turn signal there illuminating the headlight. Also, you'll see on the dashboard there, race. So that is dedicating that you have a race map installed on the motorcycle. That's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for checking it out. I'll catch you guys in the next one.